Hi, boys and girls. For our story today, we're going to read Ray Trains Dex. All right? Sit, Ray tells Dex. Dex sits. Good dog. Stay, Ray tells Dex. At first, Dex stays. He stays and waits when Ray tells him. But then Dex will not sit and wait. He runs. Dex runs fast. Ray and Dad run as fast as Dex. Stop, Dex, yells Ray. Sit, sit. Dex sits and waits. I think I hear a dog whine, Dad tells Ray. Maybe it needs help. Go, Ray tells Dex. Dex runs. So do Ray and Dad. Dex sees a dog. The dog's tail is going thump, thump. She is glad to see Dex. Dex sniffs, sniffs, sniffs. This dog has a cut, Dad tells Ray. It is not a bad cut. Ray sees a rock on the ground. I think she got cut on this rock. Do you think so, Dad? Asks Ray. Dad nods as he checks the cut. She is not a stray dog, Dad tells Ray. She has a tag. We will get her food. Then we will call and tell Kay to get her dog. Right here it says call Kay if you find this dog. 555-1234. Awesome job reading the story, boys and girls. You did so great. We're going to do a fun reading activity next. Okay, I'll see you then. Bye.